gentle with animals, right? We don't need to shove the food in her face. Sojou's looking for food too, so she might get a little bit jealous. So we have to maybe give Sojou something. He's a good girl, Sojou. Will you give me your paw? Yeah. Oh, such a nice girl. And another paw? There you go. Oh, she's not too sure about the apple. There we go. Okay, let Mark feed. Let Mark feed. Mark wants a turn.
Me too.
Yeah, one at a time.
And get this one. She's really gonna come to you.
Yeah, maybe she will come to you, yeah. No, don't. Here, your friend wanted a turn. You can go around next to Mark.
This is Catherine.
Catherine's got. You just hold it up. She's got lots right now. That's it. That's it.
Oh, here's Phoebe. Phoebe.
One at a time, Jonah, because she won't feed off of. One at a time.
A little bit. You're not hurt herself. Phoebe.
Good girl,
Sometimes
Sojou.
they
Good.
itch themselves
Like a dog.
yeah.
See, this is a good way of doing things, like a story, but we're learning.
Phoebe.
But yeah, but we're visiting with Phoebe.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Okay, Jonah, let Catherine have a turn. You had lots of turns.
Have to don't have it in her face. She still has to eat this one.
Thank you.
Out of bath.
Thank you, Jonah.
And then she has to go in the bath again.
Maybe she'll go.
Yeah.
I say so.
Okay, let's get your drinks. Be careful of her, okay? Don't shove things in her face. Let her come to you.